Today, we have something special for you. We're diving into the world of meditation, and I'm going to walk you through a basic, but highly effective meditation practice that can help you find peace and relaxation in your busy life. Welcome back to the Community Project, where we discuss topics related to mental health and general well-being. First things first, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. It could be your living room, bedroom, or a cozy corner of your garden. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Sit with your back straight but not rigid. You can sit on a chair, cushion, or directly on the floor. If you prefer, you can also lie down, but make sure not to fall asleep. Find a posture that's comfortable for you, but not too comfortable. Gently close your eyes. This simple act helps you focus inward and reduces distractions from the outside world. Now, let's start by taking a few deep breaths. Then, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Pay close attention to the sensation of your breath. Feel it as it enters and leaves your nostrils, or notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Just breathe normally. There's no need to control your breath. As you meditate, thoughts will naturally arise. When they do, acknowledge them without judgment. Think of your thoughts as clouds passing by, and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Here's a helpful tip. When thoughts arise, you can choose to give it a grin. No matter the thought, greet it with a friendly smile. This practice can help change the way you view thoughts that may cause you some discomfort. This simple act can change the way you conceptualize your thoughts, even when not meditating. This can literally establish a habit that changes your brain. If you'd like, you can also do a body scan. Mentally scan your body from head to toe, or vice versa. Pay attention to any areas of tension or discomfort, and consciously relax those muscles. It's important to set a timer for your meditation session. You can start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Use your phone's timer or a meditation app to keep track of the time. Throughout your meditation, be compassionate with yourself, as you would with a friend. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander. The key is to notice when it happens and gently guide your attention back to your breath or your chosen point of focus. When your timer goes off, take a few deep breaths. Gradually open your eyes and sit quietly for a moment. Take this time to notice how you feel. Remember, meditation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be kind and patient with yourself, and don't be discouraged by a wandering mind. The real magic happens with regular practice. Aim for a daily practice, even if it's just for a few minutes. Be mindful of any improvements in your mood and general well-being. Consistency is more important than duration. Meditation can be a powerful tool for reducing stress, increasing mindfulness, and improving your overall well-being. It's a journey that you can start today. So find your quiet space, get comfortable, and begin your meditation practice. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to be kind to yourself on this beautiful journey of self-discovery, and remember, you're not alone. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.